Hi, so we are going to learn a very basic macrame knot that I also learned recently. So I thought of sharing it with you. So for that, we need to take four strands, and what you need to keep in mind is that you have to take two strands from one group and the other two strands from another group. Out of these four strands, you have to keep two strands in the center together and the other two strands away from the center two strands. Okay, then you have to take the leftmost strand and bring it above the center two strands. Okay, so left strand, you're going to take leftmost strand and bring it above the center two strands, and bring the rightmost strand above the folded strand, and bring it on the top by looping it around the centermost strands from below. Okay, and then tighten the strands like this. Now we are going to do the same thing but from the opposite side. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the rightmost strand, whichever is the rightmost now. We're going to bend it and bring it forward and bring the leftmost strand above the folded one, and then loop it around the bottom, from the bottom, these centermost strands, and then tighten it like this. Okay, so this is one very basic loop of macrame that you can do. I'm gonna show you the same thing once again so that you may learn it. Again, you're gonna take four strands. What you have to keep in mind is that two strands will be from one group and the other two strands from another group. Okay, and then you're going to repeat the same thing. You're going to keep two strands together in the center and the other two strands away from each other, and you will fold the leftmost strand on top of the middle two strands, and you're going to loop the rightmost strand as shown in the video. Okay, and then tighten it. And you're going to do the same again on the opposite side. That is, you're going to fold the rightmost strand first, bring it on top of the center two strands, and do the same thing with the left. So in this particular design, what I have done is that I've done these kind of knots thrice all over the ring. So there are 3 rounds of similar knots, and then I have cut out the excess strands. So I hope this will be helpful.